Hello again. I wanted to share another book with you today. This is a big little golden book, one of my favorites. I absolutely love little golden books, and there's so many different ones to choose from. But this one is Richard Scarry's The Animals of Farmer Jones. So I hope you boys and girls like this book. It's supper time on the farm. The animals are very hungry. But where is Farmer Jones? The horse stamps in the stall. Nay, nay, says the horse. I want my supper. But where is Farmer Jones? The cow jangles her bell. Moo, moo, says the cow. I'm very hungry. But where is Farmer Jones? The sheep sniff around the barn. Bah, bah, say the sheep. We're waiting for supper, but where is Farmer Jones? Cluck, cluck, says the chickens. Give us our supper, but where is Farmer Jones? The turkey fluffs his feathers. Gobble, gobble, says the turkey. My food, but where is Farmer Jones? The ducks waddle out of the pond. Quack, quack, said the ducks. Supper time, but where is Farmer Jones? The dog runs about barking. Woof, woof, says the dog. I want my meal, but where is Farmer Jones? The cat rubs against a post. Meow, meow, says the cat. My dish is empty, but where is Farmer Jones? The pigs snuffle in the trough. Oink, oink, says the pigs. There's nothing to eat, but where is Farmer Jones? Farmer Jones is out in the fields. 6 o'clock, says Farmer Jones. It's supper time. He goes to get the food for the animals. He gives out the oats. Nay, nay, says the horse. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives grain to the cow. Moo, moo, says the cow. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives turnips to the sheep. Bah, bah, says the sheep. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives corn to the chickens. Cluck, cluck, say the chickens. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives wheat to the turkey. Gobble, gobble, says the turkey. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives barley to the ducks. Quack, quack, say the ducks. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives bones to the dog. Woof, woof, said the dog. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives milk to the cat. Meow, meow, says the cat. Thank you, Farmer Jones. He gives mash to the pigs, but the pigs don't say thank you. The pigs don't say anything. They are much too busy eating. I'm hungry too, says Farmer Jones, and he goes off for his supper. Goodbye, Farmer Jones. I hope you boys and girls enjoyed this story, and I look forward to reading you some more later on. Have a good day.